Hello, my friends. It is bundle time at the Stamps of Life. What does bundle mean? The word bundle at the Stamps of Life means you save even more. So this bundle is not only our everyday low price, it's not our flash sale price, it's the bundle price. So you're getting all those extra discounts because it's a bundle. And if you're a club member, guess what? You get your club discount on top of that. It's literally like I'm paying you to buy these items. Now, let's jump in really quick and see these items up close. But if you want to see more samples using these items, please go watch the other video. Here we go. Dun, 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 a heart gatefold card, A2 in size, lots and lots of dies, full of dies, including from my heart to yours. Ooh, also some words for our chocolate strawberries. We have sending you chocolatey kisses on fruity dreams. May your day be as sweet as chocolate covered strawberries. Savor the sweetness and enjoy every bite. Sending you a juicy burst of happiness and lots more of ideas. Also solids for our strawberries because sometimes you just don't want to color. And I know there are a few of you out there that have not tried the tri-blends yet, so you don't like to color. Guess what? I got you covered with the solid stamps and even some more sayings. Then I know a lot of you saw this sneak peek. Look at that tray of strawberries. Seriously, you guys, I am so hungry now because look at, my sweet tooth is just going crazy. Indulge in the sweetness of life, sending you a bouquet of love dipped in chocolate. Yum. Now, of course, yes, there is a die that matches that because you know what? Of course you have to have that, right? And last but not least, because this is stunningly beautiful and amazing, and by popular request, is a doily heart folded. It fits in an A2 size envelope. And it has all of this gorgeousness of doilies. Ugh. But the cool thing is, you guys, there's 1, 2, 3 dies in here. So the inside heart doily is a separate die. Yes, you can die cut it together, but you can also die cut it separately. You guys go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. If you are a club member, by the way, this is only available to club members. If you're not a club member, join now so you can get the bundle. Join now because only my club members can see this. You must log in to the website. So the website knows you're a club member, then you'll be able to see this. If you are not a club member, you will not even be able to see this on our website. If you are a club member and you're logged in and you don't see it, that means it's sold out. So go get it quick, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.